Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tina. I am back again looking beautiful as always. How you guys doing? Have you been? Um if today's your first time talking about my channel, you are so welcome. And for all my old subscribers who have been coming week after week to hang out with me, I love you guys. You know how we do it. You are also welcome to this channel. So week after week, okay, we do celebrate each other, inner beauty, outer beauty, color we have achieved and color we are trying to achieve. And we also celebrate each other's birthdays, anniversary, engagement, whatever it is that you celebrate for that week, we will be celebrating with you. So cheers to all those who have birthdays this week, who are celebrating the anniversary, who just had a baby. My friend just had a baby yesterday. Baby girl, so beautiful. Congratulations to Miss Jamila. Just if you just had a baby, you're having a baby, you find out you're pregnant, whatever it is that's excited, it's a good news, excited to you. We are celebrating with you. Cheers to all of you. Okay, so I took my sip of wine. So I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all of you. Hold on. So, like I said earlier, sorry before a call came in, I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all of you for all your messages on my triplets birthday last week. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for those who send their gifts down. I really, 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 really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. I know that if the babies are sleeping right now, if they are here, they will also say thank you. I know they say thank you. So thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We all love you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love that you have been showing me. Now you're extending it to my family, my kids. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. May God bless you wherever you get that from. May God replace it for you more and more and more. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about shower gel again. You guys know, I don't know what is with me and shower gel and soap. I love soaps, I love shower gels, okay? I just like anything that washes my skin. I am up for it. Okay, so I'm going to show you some few shower gels that I love, and you will like them too. I promise you that. Okay, you will like them. Some of you are already using them. Okay, so I'm just introducing to you guys these ones. So I'm gonna start with the baby product this time. You know how we're all looking good, you go out, you're glowing, you're sparkling, and then you have your baby with you, or you have your kids with you, and your skin is not popping like yours, it's not glowing, it's not it's just baby skin are supposed to be soft and glowing, like beautiful, okay? And the skin, your skin is nice, the baby skin is dull. So I don't want that anymore. You understand? If mommy is popping, I want baby to be popping too. Like, you understand what I'm saying? So today I'm going to introduce you to two shower baths, okay, that I like very well. So this one is, both of them are from Vicks company. You guys know Vicks company. Their stuff is quite pricey, but they have good product. If you have used any of their product before, you will know they have very good products. They have product for kids. They have so many things. They have stretch mark oils. They have body corrector oil. They have so many. I'm going to be talking more on their products, okay? I'll introduce you guys to more of their products. So today I'll be telling you guys about these two shower gel. Okay, this is their kids shower gel. This one is for teen. Okay, this is for teen. You can use this one for your my daughter is 10, my son is 12. They use this one right here. This is the one they go for. And then my other the kids, my 4-year-old, and then my triplets, this is what they use. This is for like babies, okay, from 1 year old and up to probably like 9, 8, 10 will go for this one. Both of them smell so good, okay? They smell very nice and they are very good. The container is huge. This is a 1000 ml, I believe. It's a 1000 ml, so it's quite big for a baby shower gel. Okay, this is a 800 ml, so it's 26 ounce. So it's very, very nice for the kids. It has this one has honey and it has milk. Okay, milk and honey. It will not nourish the body, smooth the body, and it has tea tree oil. It has avocado in it, and it also has the honey and the milk. This is so good on the kids' skin. Like you can imagine your baby, the kids' skin is usually soft already. Look at that. It smells so, so nice. And this one has this one also has a tea tree and a tea tree oil, honey, and also avocados. Also, both have the same ingredient. It's just one is for teen and one is for babies, for kiddos, like kiddos. This is for kiddos. So these two together, if you have kids who are in about the same age range that I talked about, like mine, you can use this one. So please try and get some for your kids, okay? And now I'm going to be talking to you about the kids lotion. Look at this. You see this kids lotion? This is so good. I know my little girl, the triplets, the girl, when I put this on her, she always says, "Mommy, I smell so good." Okay, so like I was saying earlier, this one is very, very nice. It smells nice. My daughter always, every time you give her a bath and you put this on her, she will tell you, "Oh, mommy, I smell good." It's really, really nice. Okay, it's white inside. I'm going to bring it closer again so you can see the bottle is like that. Look at it. So if my camera will stay still, you see, this is it right here. So this lotion is also good. It does have it's made with almond oil, shea butter, and vitamins. Okay, so it's going to help in glowing the baby skin and moisturize the skin at the same time. Like I said, it has shea butter, it has almond oil, and it has vitamins. So it's very good. It say it will keep the baby moisturized, make the skin soft and feeling healthy. And it also has essential oils. So you know, anything that has essential oil is always very good on the skin. So if you want to try this on your baby, it is very, very good to try on babies. You will love this lotion on your kids. So moving on. Now I have this shower gel right here. It's called Gluta White shower gel Supreme Fast Action 5-in-1 for dark spot. Okay, let me show it to you guys first before I start reading. You see how big this shower gel is? It's huge. See that? See. You see it? So this shower gel is 2000 ml. So it's about the same size with the Comprime. It's 2000 ml. It's for anti-dark spot. It's a tone corrector, anti-aging, skin toner and firming, antioxidant and whitening the skin. It says it's going to work fast. Okay, it has all these 5 things I just mentioned. It's a 7 days white Gluta White Gold extra whitening body repair. Sometimes when I read this name, I'm like wow, okay. It's like, feel like you're reading a whole book just to get a title of a product. So it does has kojic in it, okay? It's hydroquinone free. It's a whitening bath. It has kojic and rose ship oil. This is good. I like it because it has that exfoliating stuff, those little granites you get when you exfoliate. Okay, this has that, so you're getting 2-in-1. You're doing your bath, you're taking your bath or your shower, and then at the same time you're exfoliating your skin while doing that. I always love shower gels. I have this because it saves you money from buying a body scrub, if you understand what I mean. So this is very good. It's gold. It's wonderful. I love the body. It's nice and tall. So that's it for this one. So if you're looking for a shower bath or you just want to change your shower bath, you can go for that. The next one I have here is this pink bottle. I love this bottle. The reason why I love this bottle is I feel like if you're done using this shower gel, okay, you can actually, when you mix your cream, okay, if you mix, you're done mixing your lotion, because sometimes when you mix, you have more lotion than you did when you started. Okay, so like I was saying, it does have propylene glycol, and it has all these other ingredients that I've mentioned earlier: glutathione, it has kojic, it has collagen, and it also has goat milk. This is a whitening product. Okay, so we move on to the next one, which is this one. This one comes in two color. It has the this yellow one, and it has this orange one, which is a carrot. Okay, this is a carrot, and this one is like lemon. These two shower gel also will exfoliate your skin. These are nice. They will exfoliate, they will glow your skin, and they will lighten your skin. Okay, this is the Ultra Glow shower gel. It has carrot extract, and this one has pure glutathione powder. So these two products, if you have not tried this product, go ahead and try this product. I promise you, you'll come back and buy more from me. I'm assuring you that. So go ahead and try them. Okay, this is going to leave your skin very nourishing, glowing. It also has this one has goat milk also. It has propylene glycol, it has stearic acid. Like, everything on this product is just amazing. I cannot sit here and start reading every single little bit of ingredient that's in it, but the main ones are the ones that I mentioned earlier. I want you to try this shower gel. Call back and tell me what you think about. And if you have been using any of this shower gel, please let me know. Come back and let us know also. Okay, now I move on. Also, the same people that did this one is, so of course, like I'm saying, you guys already know about this product. This will help in taking out dark spot out of your face. Okay, you can use it for face and body. It's quite thick, so if you're one of those who are into production, okay, this will be a good shower gel for you to use in doing your production for shower gel. And I talked about the K.BROTHERS also. So that's about it. These are just few shower gels that I wanted to let you guys know how effective and how wonderful they are to the skin. If you want to try them, if you're looking for something to change, you can go ahead and try any of this shower gel. They will be okay for you. Any skin type can use any of the shower gel that I just talked about today. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay, turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you will not get to miss any of my videos. I love you guys. That will be it for today. I will see you guys again soon. The babies are awake. I need to get out of here. All right, thank you. Love you guys. Bye. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.